Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Tuesday, June 5th, and I have a couple of things I'd like to do today. If I can get this in before it starts to rain again. I'd like to do a couple of air layers on this Black Madeira here. I've got this spot that I've taken previous air layers off of that keeps on producing these shoots. So I've already gone ahead and cut these ocean spray juice containers that I have. And I like to use these rigid containers. They work out great for these shoots that are just right near the surface. You know, I don't have to tape a bag around the branch and then fill it with soil and then try to tape it up and secure it. Although, you know, I've used that technique also. I might use that for this branch here. But I like these nice rigid containers, and I just have to put a little loop of tape around it and the foil around that and have this filled with soil. So here are the two containers that I have already put together for these two branches, and I have this one here that I've cut, and I have the opening up on the side because of the way these shoots come out. This one's for the Zingarella, which has 3 shoots. There's a small one here, but I think I'll do a couple of these 2 shoots here. Do an air layer. I don't have a backup for this plant, and this pot's starting to disintegrate, so I thought I'd get it into this other newer, larger pot here, and also, like I said, put a couple of do a couple of air layers off of the Zingarella also. So I had an open bag of some organic garden soil. You can see there it really has a lot of organic matter in it. But I've got a bag of disintegrating perlite. I want to use that, so put some perlite in there and some of this pine bark here. Mix that up. Take the container off here. Get my knife. Already put this to the flame. And let's see, I don't know. Maybe about here. You can see the sap here, the latex. So it's an irritant. Some people are probably more allergic than others, but you can have severe reactions to this. Don't want to get this in your eyes or in your mouth. Yeah, so now that I have that off, I can put this back on, fill it with soil. This is still rigid enough that I don't think I can just maybe put a little bit of tape on the top here. It's not going to really open up from the pressure of the soil. Get some foil around that. And water that in a little. Might top that off at some point if the soil settles. Let's go on to the next one. So I'm going to remove the material right here. It's the same level. And I put a layer of these bark fines from Agway on the top here. Do the air layer on the Zingarella. And I want to go to the stove and heat this up. So I could use these alcohol swabs too. I've got this latex residual stuck on the blade. It's all gummed up. That comes off. So I think I'll remove material about right here. Yeah, I think I'll remove it about right here. Okay, put this around here. Let me get some tape around this. So, completed a couple of Black Madeira air layers and a Zingarella. Also repotted the Zingarella into a slightly larger pot, but a little bit of an improvement. The other pot was disintegrating. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. Looks like I finished those air layers just in time.